Welcome tech enthusiasts to an exploration of cutting-edge technology. Today in this video, we delve into the world of Power over Ethernet extenders and their pivotal role in enhancing power and data transmission. In our increasingly digital landscape, the demand for extended power and data transmission capabilities has never been higher. And PoE extenders play a crucial role in addressing this need, bridging the gap between power sources and devices located far from the main network. And whether you are setting up security cameras, Wi-Fi access point, or other smart devices, PoE extenders are indispensable, ensuring a consistent power supply and reliable data transmission. And also, we'll showcase how Gigabit PoE extenders elevates your network performance to unparalleled heights. So PoE extenders serve a crucial role in network setup by extending power over Ethernet signals. Their primary function is to amplify PoE signal, enabling the transmission of power and data over a longer distances. PoE extenders find various applications, especially in scenarios where standard Ethernet cable links are insufficient. They are commonly used in security systems, IP camera installation, Wi-Fi access point, and also other network devices located far from the main power source. So by boosting the PoE signal, these extenders facilitate the deployment of network devices in remote or challenging environments, ensuring seamless connectivity. And the Gigabit PoE extenders offer several advantages in a PoE Wireless Access Point installation. Firstly, they significantly extend the reach of PoE signal, allowing the wireless access point to be placed in distance or hard-to-reach area, thereby expanding the Wi-Fi coverage. Moreover, Gigabit PoE extenders operate at high data transfer rates, making them ideal for bandwidth-intensive applications like HD video streaming, online gaming, and large-scale data transfer. There are various types of PoE extenders, and each designed to cater to specific requirements. Some advanced PoE extenders support both IEEE 802.3 AF and AT, and even the BT standard, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of PoE power devices. Additionally, certain PoE extenders come with features like weatherproof design for outdoor use, multiple Ethernet ports for daisy chaining, and surge protection, enhancing their versatility and adaptability in diverse installation scenarios. And in order to select the right Gigabit PoE extender, several crucial factors should be taken into account. You should consider the maximum power output this PoE extender can deliver, and ensuring it meets the power requirement of your connected devices. Also evaluate the transmission distance the extender can cover effectively. Choose an extender with a range that suits your specific deployment needs, especially if you're dealing with long distances. And lastly, ensure compatibility with your existing network setup and PoE power devices. The PoE extender should support the necessary PoE standards and be compatible with your PoE-enabled devices to guarantee seamless integration and operation within your network. So now we have a Gigabit PoE extender, and we're going to unbox it and see what's inside. So first, let me open up the box, take out the protector. We have a user's manual. This is the PoE extender. It comes with two neck and gland, since it's one in and two out. A wrench, so you can fasten the neck and the gland tightly. This is a ground cord and some screws for installation. Now, upon the unboxing, you should carefully inspect each item to ensure nothing is missing or damaged. So now we're in front of the demonstration board and we are going to connect to this wireless access point using this outdoor 2-port 802.3 BT Gigabit PoE extender. Now this is a useful PoE extender which helps repeat the data and power in the same cable when encounter a dilemma of maximum PoE distance of 100 meters. That's about 328 feet. And the PoE extender supports 60 watts IEEE 802.3 BT standard. So it is capable of supplying a maximum of 30 watts output for a single port. And also the aluminum IK10 vandal-proof housing and IP67 waterproof design allow the PoE extender to stably operate under outdoor harsh environment and obtain a longer use life. And also it is now mounting on a special rack which allows you to mount it on a DIN rail flexibly. So without saying, let's do the connection together. So here we have a router to provide the main network data. This is a 4-port Gigabit high-power PoE switch. It can support up to 90 watts of power output and gigabit data transfer rate. So first I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect the router to our switch to provide data. Next I'm going to use a 100 meters Ethernet cable to connect it with our PoE extender so we can extend for another 100 meters. So this is a special mounting tool. You can mount it on a DIN rail. Let's connect with the router and the switch. You can see the indicator light is already on. Now I'm going to connect to the output port. This is PoE in and PoE out. Mount it back on the DIN rail. We have another 100 meters and it's already connected to our wireless access point. You can see the indicated light is on, so now it's already getting the power and the data that it needs. So here are some more tips for optimal setup. If you notice that your Wi-Fi signal strength is insufficient in certain areas, you should consider adjusting the placement of the PoE extender and the PoE wireless access point. Experiment with different locations to find the optimal placement for maximum coverage. Factors like obstacles, WAPs, and interference from other electronic devices can also affect the signal strength. So finding the right spot is important for an efficient network setup. And after setting up your PoE extender and PoE wireless access point, periodically monitor the network performance. Keep an eye on the signal strength, data transfer speed, and overall network stability. Regular maintenance, including the firmware updates for the devices, can ensure that your network remains secure and perform optimally over time. So in today's video, we explore the world of PoE extenders, understanding their functionality and diverse application. We also discussed the critical factors to consider when choosing the Gigabit PoE extender and the compatibility with existing devices. So we encourage you to explore the vast possibilities that PoE extender offer for enhancing their network setup. And also, feel free to leave your comment and questions below. We welcome your inquiries and discussion, and we are here to assist you further in your journey to optimize your network infrastructure. And thank you very much for watching, and let's continue the conversation.